सूत्रबिंद सभियों के चरण कमलों में मेरा यथायथ प्रणाम स्वीकार हो। हम लोग की श्रीमद् भागवत की द्वितीय दिवस की कथा
Today we're in starting second day of the Bhagavatam now.
प्रारंभ हो चुके।
Actually, we have already begun
महाराज जी ने
because Maharaj already spoke.
बहुत सुंदर की कथा,
Very beautiful katha.
गुरु गौरांग नृसिंहदेव की और नित्यानंद प्रभु की।
So by the causeless mercy of Guru Gauranga, Nityananda and Nrsimhadev,
हम लोग
from yesterday we have, without any obstacle, we have started the Bhagavad Katha. So they also, we are continuing this katha. Everybody has spoken a beautiful katha. The Bhagavad Katha is so sweet, right?
So in
the Mangalacharan, the beginning of the Bhagavatam, there are 3 slokas that are like the Mangalacharan of the Bhagavatam. Vyasadeva, in these 3 slokas, Vyasadeva establishes the Pratipada Vishaya, means the subject that will be spoken in the Bhagavatam. So the 2 Maharajas have spoken about these 2 verses already. They described it. Them, like the sloka Janma Dasa Jataha, and also second sloka Dharma Prajito Kaitava. So the 2 slokas, these 2 slokas, they have spoke for a bit. They spoke about this verse, these verses. So the 3rd verse is
Nigama Galapatarur Galita Phalang Sukha Mukha Amrita Drava Samjutam Pibata Bhagavatam Rasamalayam Muhuro Rasika Bhuvi Bhavuka। मंगलाचरण में इस श्लोक की सुंदर रूप में बता रहे हैं ये श्रीमद् भागवत कैसे मधुर।
So how the Bhagavatam is so sweet. This shloka is in the Mangalacharan of the Bhagavatam. So the Bhagavatam is the ripened fruits, so delicious and juicy fruit of the without skin, without seed.
और वो फल
this fruit of the desire tree of the Vedas. And this fruit is so delicious and came to this material world. If in this material world some fruit ripens, and if this fruit falls on the ground, the fruit will be like burst, like how to say burst, I think, like because it's ripened and is in the top of the tree, then falls on the ground and completely burst, like how to say, yeah. So this in the material world, this happens. So the Bhagavatam is like the delicious fruit, and how it's coming from Goloka Vrindavan. Through the Guru Parampara.
Brahma hoite Krishna hoite Chaturmukh, Hon Krishna Sevanmukh, Brahma hoite Narader Mati, Narad hoite Vyas, Madhya Kayan Vyasadas. Guru Parampara Prapta.
So this fruit is coming via, like by the Guru Parampara. That's why this fruit is so delicious, so juicy and so juicy. But still, it doesn't burst. It's not destroyed when it comes to this world, because it's coming slowly, That's why it doesn't becomes like a. So also another thing is that this fruit is touched by the parrot. That's why also it's so tasty. So. The fruit is not ruptured or anything, not blasted. I think blessed. Doesn't burst open or doesn't break open. It's not.
पठित होने के नाते ये श्रीमद् भागवत की कथा और भी सुमिष्ट हो गया.
Because the Bhagavatam was spoken by Shukadeva Goswami, became even sweeter. It became even sweeter. So this fruit is coming through the Guru Parampara. That's why this fruit is so, although it's so delicious, so juicy, so ripened, it was not spoiled on the way, or like it was not burst on the way, or didn't
ये फल कैसे प्रपक्व होने के साथ ही साथ पक जाने के
So,
साथ
you know, so
साथ
when this fruit is ripened,
पक्षी के
so
द्वारा
the fruit was
मानो
not
वो
ruptured on the way or anything, and also the
यानी
fruit was
सुखदेव
touched by the
गोस्वामी के
parrot.
द्वारा
Means Shukadeva
पठित होने
Goswami,
के नाते
he told this
श्रीमद् भागवत
Bhagavatam. That's why the Bhagavatam
और भी
Katha is even
सुमिष्ट हो गया
sweeter.
है। भागवत की कथा जैसे महाराज ने बताया,
Just like Maharaj told,
भागवत की 17 अधिवेशन तो अनेक बार
there were many
हुए।
adhivations,
जैसे
like
महाराज
sittings
बार
of
बार
the
स्मरण
Bhagavatam.
दिलाते
Again and
हैं।
again Maharaj
इस
told
भागवत
us
की कथा
that this Bhagavad Katha
स्वयं ब्रह्मा जी भी की,
was
स्वयं
spoken
विष्णु
by
भी की,
Brahma,
और
also
स्वयं
Vishnu, also
लक्ष्मी देवी भी भागवत की कथा
also Lakshmi Devi also told Bhagavad
है।
Katha. She spoke also.
यह भी संदर्भ में भी बताया।
Also
देखो,
another
भागवत
thing
की
is
कथा,
that
कीर्तन में स्त्रियां भी पीछे नहीं है।
the ladies are
कुछ लोग
not
कहते
behind
हैं,
in speaking this Bhagavad
स्त्रियों के तो
Katha.
अधिकार
Some people
नहीं है
think
भागवत
that
कथा बोलने
ladies are not qualified to
हैं।
speak Bhagavad
कुछ
Katha.
ब्राह्मण
Some
लोग
Brahmanas say like this.
कहते नहीं नहीं हैं, एक श्लोक उद्धृत कर देते हैं।
They even quote some shlok.
क्या श्लोक है?
What is the verse?
ये जो पतित ब्राह्मण
Actually, the falling Brahmanas
और
and
शूद्र
the Shudras
स्त्रियों के
and
जो
the
है,
ladies,
हाँ? ये अधिकार नहीं है।
they are not qualified.
किंतु
But
पुराण में कर रहे नहीं।
the Puranas say
लक्ष्मी
no.
देवी स्त्री
You see,
होकर के
Lakshmi
भी
Devi herself, although she's a lady,
कितने दिन भागवत कथा
she
सुनाया?
did Bhagavad for how many days?
2 महीने
For
भागवत
2
कथा
months,
श्रवण करा।
she told Bhagavad Katha,
है?
Lakshmi Devi,
और
okay?
विष्णु कितने दिन श्रवण
And
कराया
Vishnu,
नारायण?
Narayana, he spoke
एक
Bhagavata
दिन।
for 1 month.
हैं? और ब्रह्मा जी कितने? 7 दिन।
And Brahma for 7 days.
संदर्भ में
So in
पुराण
this
की कथा
context,
के
there is
अनुसार
a Purana Katha,
स्त्रियां
story of
किसी प्रकार
Puran.
पीछे नहीं है।
The ladies are not behind in any way.
क्योंकि मैं इस संदर्भ में कह रहा हूं जिसमें प्रश्नीकरण कर रहे हैं, ये लक्ष्मी देवी भी
So
2 महीने
Lakshmi Devi herself for 2 months, she also spoke Bhagavad Katha.
जहां जहां पर स्त्रियों के बाद शूद्र के
So when in some verse he's saying that the ladies are fallen Brahmanas or Shudras or something are
सदाचारी नहीं है,
actually
दुराचारी के
it's talking about ladies
शास्त्र के निषेध।
who are not following the rules of the scriptures. You know, that's why some slokas speak ill of the ladies, but actually it's talking specifically about the ladies who are not following the rules.
के प्रति कटाक्ष
Because our shastras never spoke anything bad against the ladies.
यहाँ तक भी स्त्री जाति के हमारे भारतीय
Even actually in our Indian culture, in our Indian culture, the ladies are put in the highest position.
कोई कोई कहते हैं ने स्त्रियां बहुत
Some people say, oh no, the ladies are
नीच
too,
स्वभाव है, क्रूर स्वभाव है।
they have low nature or something, degraded nature. But this is not true.
नहीं कहा गया।
This is not for all the ladies. No, no.
योग्य व्यक्ति के लिए योग्य सम्मान दी जाती है।
So we give the proper honor to the proper person, like to Yoga Vekta. We give the honor accordingly to the level of that person. Okay.
इसलिए किसी प्रकार के स्त्रियां नीचे नहीं।
So not all the ladies, like you cannot say generalization that all the ladies they are degraded or low. Of course not.
यहाँ तक भी शास्त्र में कहते हैं।
Even the Shastra explains that every day you have to speak the name of 5 ladies:
द्रौपदी, कुंती,
Draupadi, Kunti, Tara, Mandodari, and Ahilya.
पंचकन्या को नित्य
You have to remember their names, the 5 ladies' names every day in the morning, and all your sins will be destroyed.
कहाँ पर स्त्री जाति को निंदा की?
So how can you say like the Shastra is criticizing the ladies?
सभियों के जो है भागवत सभियों के जो है सम्मान देते हैं।
The Bhagavata honors everyone
अभी हम जो कह रहे हैं
and respects everyone. So
कल्पतरु गलित फलं सुकमुखादं द्रव संयुतम। अहो सुखदेव गोस्वामी पाद के द्वारा
so
पठित होने पर
because it was spoken by also Shukadeva Goswami, this Bhagavata became even sweeter, more sweet than it already was. Because I told, just like there is a parrot here also sitting there up, you can see there are 2 parrots sitting there, look,
बगल में,
and there are 2 peacocks also sitting up, sitting down. Up there are 2 parrots there, you can see.
ये सुख पक्षी,
So this parrot, if the parrot touches his beak in a fruit, on a fruit, actually the parrot does not put his beak, like does not touch with his beak all the fruits. No, the parrot is sensitive. He knows which fruit is very tasteful or like sweet and delicious, and then this fruit the parrot, he just little bit touches with his beak, with its beak, and then having the touch of the beak of the parrots, the fruit becomes even sweeter, even more tasteful. Our Acharyas explain why.
ये सुख कोई साधारण सुख
Because
नहीं
this Shuka is not an ordinary
है।
person.
राधा जी के पालिता सुख
He is the parrot taken care by Shrimati Radhika.
अत्यंत स्नेहासित ये सुख है।
He is
गोलोक वृंदावन
Shrimati Radhika has so much affection for him. So in the Nitya Goloka Vrindavanadam spiritual world, Shrimati Radhika herself,
सुख पक्षी के जो है कैसे आदर के
she
साथ
with so much love and affection, she's feeding her parrots
अनार के दाने
beautiful radish, pomegranate seeds, and she's teaching him, hey Shuk, you should chant
दामो धर्मा दवेति गोविंद दामो धर्मा दवेति गोविंद दामो धर्मा दवेति गोविंद दामोदर माधवेति हे कृष्ण हे जादव हे सखेति गोविंद दामोदर माधवेति। और सिखाते थे सुख तुम कृष्ण कृष्ण नाम।
So Shrimati Radhika is teaching, hey Shuka, chant Krishna name. Shrimati Radhika herself,
पक्षी को कृष्ण नाम जब
she's teaching her parrots to chant Krishna's names. Because the name of Krishna is so crooked, but still she's teaching her parrots slowly how to chant the name of Krishna. So the parrots, her parrots is sitting in like a jeweled cage. It's not actually a cage, just like some, how to say, like a bar, you know, where the parrots stay, you know, a kind of bar, you know. So it's like a jeweled, this bar where the parrot is on, and then Shrimati Radhika is teaching her parrot how to chant the name of Krishna herself with her own sweet lotus hands. Shrimati Radhika is giving one seed of pomegranate seeds, feeding the parrots and telling him, hey parrots, chant the name of Krishna. So beautiful. And Krishna also himself, Krishna taught him also to chant the name of Radha. This story is very long. I'm just telling briefly. But in the end, the parrot started chanting the name of both names. Which names?
Krishna, Krishna, Radhe, Radhe. Radha नाम कृष्ण ने सुख पक्षी के जो है
Krishna taught the parrots to chant the name of Radha.
धा 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 धा, क्योंकि कोई श्लोक याद करने की यदि याद नहीं हो रहा है,
because if you're not remembering one verse, if you cannot memorize one shloka, you can memorize it syllable by syllable. For example, if you cannot memorize the shloka at once, you should repeat again and again each syllable, each part of this verse, repeating the words.
तो यदि आपके श्लोक याद नहीं हो रहा
So if you cannot memorize the shloka,
नहीं आ रहे
if you're not
तो क्या
remembering,
करना चाहिए?
then you should
धर्मक्षेत्रे धर्मक्षेत्रे कुरुक्षेत्रे कुरुक्षेत्रे। ठीक उसी प्रकार देखो संग जो है कृष्ण क्या नाम सिखा रहे हैं?
So Krishna taught her to
रा 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 रा
to sing Radha, Ra 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 Ra, Dha Da Da, also opposite, Dhara Dhara Dhara.
धारा के कर दो राधा हो जाता है, धारा के उल्टा दो क्या हो जाता है?
So if you say Dhara, like opposite, Dhara 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 becomes Radha, right?
स्वयं सुखदेव गोस्वामी पाद कहने लगे देखो मेरा गुरु कौन है?
So Shukadeva Goswami Pada said, who is my guru? Shrimati Radhika herself.
एक दीक्षा गुरु और एक शिक्षा गुरु।
Diksha Guru is Shiksha Guru.
राधा जी उनकी दीक्षा गुरु मानते हैं और कृष्ण के क्या मानते हैं? शिक्षा गुरु मानते हैं।
So he sees Radha as Diksha Guru and Krishna as Shiksha Guru. So here we see the meaning of Diksha and Shiksha Guru. So continuing the katha.
राधा जी के पठित
So Shukadeva was
वही सुखदेव
the dear parrot of Shrimati Radhika.
देखो सुख पक्षी के गर्भ के आश्रय करके
So he took the shelter of the womb of
और
a
इस जगत
female parrot and he came to this material world. And then
उन्होंने
he
व्यासदेव के पत्नी बिटिका के गर्भ में जन्म
also
इस कथा आप लोग ने
later he took birth from the womb of Bitika, the wife of Vyasadeva,
और उस समय उनके नाम होंगे वही
and his name
सुखदेव
became
गोस्वामी।
Shukadeva
और देखो
Goswami.
जन्म लेते ही कैसे
So from his birth, how he was so detached,
वैराग्यवान
so
ज्ञान
detached,
संपन्न
full of all the knowledge,
अद्वैतवादी के लीला आदि कर रहे हैं।
and he did a lila as Advaitavadi.
दैवायन विरहताद राजभाव पुत्रेति तन्म तरोभिनेदु तं सर्वभूत हृदयं मुनिमान तो अस्मिन्। सुत गोस्वामी पाद भागवती कथा प्रारंभ में
Shuta Goswami in the beginning of the Bhagavatam,
सुखदेव गोस्वामी के इस प्रकार वर्णन किया। मेरे गुरुदेव कोई साधारण नहीं
he
है,
explained. Sutta Goswami said, "My Guru Shukadeva Goswami, he is not ordinary. He's
क्योंकि
full of
साधु
all
में
the
भक्ति
qualities.
उत्पन्न हो जाए
Because it's natural that if bhakti comes in someone's heart, naturally the person will have jnana and vairagya automatically.
ज्ञान वैराग्य के लिए प्रचेष्टा करना नहीं पड़ता है।
You don't need like endeavor externally or separately for jnana and vairagya, knowledge and renunciation. If you have bhakti, then naturally they will come.
आगे क्या हम वर्णन करेंगे?
Later we'll also describe this katha.
वही सुखदेव गोस्वामी परीक्षित महाराज
So
के
this
सभा
Shukadeva
में
Goswami,
उपस्थित हुए।
he was in the
जैसे
assembly
महाराज
of
ने कहा,
Parikshit Maharaj.
हैं,
He appeared
सात
there,
दिन
like
के लिए
Maharaj
उनको
told, that Parikshit Maharaj was cursed to die in 7 days, that the snake Takshak would come and
उसने
bite
क्या
him.
करना चाहिए?
So
मृत्यु
what should he do if the death was certain? What should he do? So he knew that he was going to die today or tomorrow after 100 years. Everybody will die one day.
तो उसी प्रकार परीक्षित महाराज जी बड़े बड़े ऋषि मुनि तत्वज्ञ ऋषियों के सबके बुलाया,
So Parikshit Maharaj called all the great rishis,
जोगी भी सबके बुलाया, धनेन्द्र मुनिन्द्र जोगेंद्र सभियों के बुलाया।
all the rishis and people who follow yoga or other many paths, the best of all these munis and yogis, everyone was there in the assembly of Parikshit Maharaj, and each one of them they gave their own conception. And in the end, Shukadeva Goswami Pad, when he manifested in that assembly, what did he tell?
जगिनांग विनिर्णितं हरेर नामानुकीर्तनम एतन निमित्तमानानां मिच्छताम अकुतो भयम। इस संसार में कोई जीव मरणशील है, मरने वाला है अभी।
Jiva is about to die.
कर्तव्य क्या है?
What is the duty for this
क्या
person?
करें इस श्लोक में?
What this verse explains?
एतन निमित्तमानानां मिच्छताम अकुतो भयम जगिनांग निर्णितम। सुखदेव गोस्वामी पाद कहते हैं,
Shukadeva Goswami Pada says,
साधारण जोगी नहीं, व्यास पराशर मेरे दादा पिता दादा परदादा जो भी सबके बड़े बड़े जोगियों के ज्यादा भक्त जोगियों के द्वारा ही निर्णित
the conception of all the great personalities like my father, my grandfather, everyone, they told that the best thing to do, Shukadeva Goswami told, is to chant holy names and the glories of Lords and his pastimes, especially in Kali Yuga. Only the holy names, by remembering the holy names, a human being can cross the ocean of material existence. Like Tulsidas explains in Ramacharita, you don't need to do anything in Kali Yuga.
केवल हरि नाम,
Only Hari Nam.
हरे नाम इव केवलम कलो नास्तिव गतिरन्यथा। 3 बार कहते नहीं नहीं
So
नहीं,
3 times saying no, no, no.
ज्ञान के द्वारा
So
नहीं,
no, karma will not
योग
do,
के द्वारा तपस्या के द्वारा
jnana,
नहीं,
yoga, tapasya also not. Only
हरिनाम
by Harinam, Harinam.
बड़ा वृंदावन बिहारी सचिनंदन गौर हरि की। आइए इसलिए कहता निगम कल्पतर गलित फलम सुख मुखादम द्रवस्मित। अहो सुखदेव के मुखारविंद से हरि कथा सुनने के लिए, भागवत कथा सुनने के लिए इतने बड़े बड़े ऋषि लोग क्यों आए?
So why did so many great rishis
उनके पिता
come to listen also?
उनकी तो कथा श्रवण
So
कराया।
why did many rishis also assembled there to listen to this katha from Shukadeva Goswami? Even his own father, like Vyasadeva, his like Parashara also grandfather was also there present. Great
महाराज ने
rishis,
अभी बताया,
like Maharaj told now,
जब सुखदेव ने
that
जंगल में प्रवेश
when
किया
Shukadeva entered
और
the
उनको
forest,
2 श्लोकों के द्वारा
by 2 verses he was
और
caught,
अंत में
and in the
उनके
end,
सारे कथा भी सुनाया है। और ये परीक्षित महाराज के सभा में अभी
they
सुखदेव
told
गोस्वामी
him
पाद
all katha,
विराजमान
and
हैं।
then so in the assembly of
और
Shukadeva
कथा के
Goswami,
वाचक कौन हो रहे
Vyasadeva was also
हैं?
there.
कथा कौन बोल रहे हैं?
But who was speaking the katha?
सुखदेव गोस्वामी।
Shukadeva
श्रोता कौन बने
Goswami, and who
हुए?
was listening?
परीक्षित महाराज।
Parikshit
केवल परीक्षित
Maharaj.
महाराज ही नहीं,
But not only Parikshit Maharaj was there.
और उनके पिताजी व्यासदेव भी उसमें पर
His father,
विराजमान है।
Vyasadeva was also
उनके
there.
दादा क्या नाम?
Even his
पराशर ऋषि
grandfather called
विराजमान है।
Parashara Rishi was also there.
जैसे अभी अभी अनेक ऋषि के नाम लिया
So there are names of many rishis
कितने
also.
बड़े बड़े
They were
समस्त
there. All
तत्वज्ञ,
great rishis.
मर्मज्ञ,
They knew
त्रिकालज्ञ,
all
समस्त
present,
ऋषि
past,
भी
future, all the
विराजमान
tattwas,
थे।
all the meanings of everything.
हैं?
All these rishis were also
क्यों
present
सुखदेव
there.
को ऊंचे आसन पर
Why?
बिठाया?
And they put the Shukadeva Goswami
एक तो
putting the high
साधारण रूप में बताया
asana.
जाए, सुखदेव कैसे थे? बाल ब्रह्मचारी,
So yeah, Shukadeva was a Bal
अकुमार
Brahmachari.
ब्रह्मचारी,
Akumar Brahmachari. He was Brahmachari
दूसरी?
since his birth. And
हैं?
second thing also,
और उनके ये गुण विशेष है,
he had one
इतने
special
सुंदर
quality.
सुरीली कंठ से भागवत की कथा वर्णन कर,
He would
बड़े
speak
उनके
Bhagavatam
ऐसे
in such a
सुंदर
beautiful voice, with such a beautiful
सुरीली
voice.
मधुर स्वभाव कहाँ से मिली?
Where did he get such a
हैं?
beautiful voice and
कहाँ से
nature?
मिली? उस
Where?
समय तो
From
ये
where?
क्या बोले, कैसियो नहीं था, हारमोनियम भी नहीं,
At
कुछ
that
नहीं
time,
था,
there was no
हैं?
harmonium or
यहाँ तक
anything
भी
like that.
माइक तक भी नहीं था।
Even not even microphone was not
बोले
there.
सुखदेव
Not
को
even
सुनते गले
microphone.
के स्वर इतने
But
मधुर
the
है,
sound of the voice of Shukadeva
क्या
was
वर्णन
so
करें?
sweet.
बोले
What
कैसे
can I
मधुर
tell
हो
you?
गया?
How did his voice become
तो
so
इससे
sweet?
कहते हैं, क्या श्लोक है ये?
So what is the verse?
ये किसी समय,
Once,
एक समय जो है, सेंस राधा जी अपने पालिता
Srimati
सुख
Radhika herself,
पशु पक्षी को लेकर के
she took her dear parrot
आलिंगन करते,
and was
चुम्बन
embracing
करते,
him and kissing
अब
him
चुम्बन करते करते
and kissing her parrot.
अकस्मात
Suddenly,
वो सुख पक्षी ने क्या की,
that
राधा जी की
the parrot shook
अधर
up.
उष्ठ के जो है
He could-
चुम्बन कर लिया,
He also kissed the lips, the lower and superior lips, like the lips of Srimati Radhika.
बोलो वृंदावन बिहारी लाल की जय, बोले राधा जी की
So-
अधर उष्ठ की जो अमृत,
He took the amrit, the nectar from the lips of Srimati Radhika.
वो सुख पक्षी
So that's why that
मानो
parrot,
ग्रहण कर लिया,
he took this
इसलिए
nectar of the lips of Srimati
हमारी याद नहीं हो
Radhika.
रहा
So
है,
there is a
किसको याद
verse
है?
in the scriptures, I'm not remembering now this verse. Those who remember, they can tell me now.
हमारे पास लिखा है,
But I have
हाँ?
this sloka written with me.
हाँ समझिए, वो इसलिए सुखदेव को समय पाद की श्लोक व कथा इतने मधुर
That's
था,
why the nectar, the katha of
जिससे
Shukadeva
सभी
Goswami
लोग
was so sweet that
आकृष्ट हो गए।
everybody became attracted to
हैं?
him.
कोई साधारण नहीं,
He was not ordinary.
कोई मधुर स्वर से कीर्तन करे, हैं?
If somebody is
तो क्या
singing
होगा?
with a beautiful voice,
सबकी
this
हृदय
will
अपने आप
melt
में
everyone's hearts.
है। एक तो बाल ब्रह्मचारी,
Okay, from here I was already translating the other video, so I'll just stop.
राधा जी की अधर उष्ठ के जो है चुम्बन कर लिया, बोलो वृंदावन बिहारी लाल की जय, बोले राधा जी की अधर उष्ठ की जो अमृत, वो सुख पक्षी मानो ग्रहण कर लिया, इसलिए उस शास्त्र की श्लोक तो हमारी याद नहीं हो रहा है, यदि किसको याद है हमारे पास लिखा है, हाँ?
So there is a shloka in the scriptures
वो इसलिए सुखदेव को समय पाद की
Explaining.
श्लोक व कथा इतने मधुर था,
about the sweetness of the katha of Shukadeva Goswami,
आकृष्ट हो जाते,
that everybody was attracted.
कोई साधारण नहीं,
He was not ordinary. If somebody sings with a beautiful voice,
तो क्या होता है, सबकी
this
हृदय
will
अपने आप त्रिभुज हो जाता है।
make everyone's heart melt,
तो बाल
you know.
ब्रह्मचारी,
So Shukadeva, he was a Bal Brahmachari, he was a strict Brahmachari since he was born.
उनकी गले के
And
स्वर
second thing,
इतने
the
सुंदर है,
melody of his voice, the tune, like his voice was so sweet.
अहो, ये श्रीमद्
Everybody was
भागवतम
attracted by his voice.
कैसे पान करो,
So
रसमालय
just
मूल
drink this Bhagavatam.
अहो, ये श्रीमद् भागवत की
This
कौन पान
Bhagavatam,
करेंगे?
who can drink this, the nectar of this Bhagavatam?
मधुर रस को कौन पान
Who?
करेंगे? कहते हैं रसिक और भावुक जन।
The Rasik and Bhavuk people, the devotees.
रसिक यदि नहीं हो, इस श्रीमद् भागवत की रसमाधुर्य आस्वादन नहीं कर सकते।
If you're not a Rasika, you cannot relish Srimad Bhagavatam. It's not a Jara Ras. Bhagavatam is not a material rasa, it's the transcendental rasa.
स्थायी भाव के ऊपर चार प्रकार के
So
ingredients,
on the base of Sthai Bhava, 4 kinds of ingredients they mix. Then the ras comes.
ये रस कोई जड़ रस नहीं है।
Ras is
अपराजित
nothing.
दिव्य, वो रस
Rasa is nothing material, it's transcendental.
है जिसके हृदय में भाव विराजमान होते हैं, भाव में प्रवेश कर जाते हैं, उसके लक्षण भी बताते जाते हैं। भावुक के लक्षण क्या होता है?
So what is the symptom of bhav?
असाबंधो समत्कंठा नाम गाने सदा रुचि आसक्ति तद गुणानुखाने प्रतित वसति स्थले इत्यादि भावांग जन है। 9 प्रकार के लक्षण दिखाई
So there are 9 symptoms of bhav.
समझ में आ
Do you understand?
जाए, जहां तहां रोदन देख करके, रोना देख करके, आंखों के आंसू देख करके,
It's not only when you see somebody crying that you should think the person is having bhav. No, there are other symptoms also that the Shastra explains.
आसाबंधो समुत्कंठा नाम गानी सदा रुचि आसक्ति तद गुणानुखाने प्रतित वसते स्थली है। ये समस्त लक्षण शास्त्र में है।
All the Shastra explains all these
नहीं तो लोग सहज
symptoms of
और यह तो
bhav. Otherwise, people become sahajiya, you know. And Shastra also explains that
हृदय में भाव
in the hearts of the sadhaka,
वो अधिक काल
when
तक
bhava comes,
रह नहीं सकता।
the person cannot stay so much longer in this world. Quickly, the person will give up his body. This is true. Everything is explained.
सहजा सखी बेकी के
Sorry. So, otherwise, the person can become sahajiya saki beki.
दर्शन करते रहते।
So,
श्रीमद् भागवतम
the Bhagavatam,
विशेष करके हमारे
and especially our Rupa Goswami,
इस सहजा सखी बेकी दल को सब में
he
खंडेर भी
spoke many things like to cut the philosophy of sahajiya saki bekis.
मर्मज्ञ सर्वशास्त्र तत्ववेद है, और निर्मत्सर परायण, जैसे आगे की महाराज ने कहा ना,
Like
हाँ?
Maharaj told
श्लोक में कहा दिया
in the second shloka explains, these sadhus who are perfect in all the tattvas, in all the shastras, in all the rasas, also everything.
कृति भी शुश्रु भी तत्क्षणात् बता दिया
Without any envy. Second shloka is saying. So you must study the three first shlokas of the Bhagavatam. You must study the three first shlokas of the Bhagavatam.
भागवती कथा सुनने के शुश्रु
Just by listening to the Bhagavatam. Shushrubhi means if you have desire to listen. Now you're still in your house.
अभी घर में विराजमान
Sorry,
है,
you're still in your house now.
सुनने की इच्छा है।
But you have the desire to listen. Just if you have this desire to listen, automatically, like immediately, Swayam Bhagavan, he will
बैठ जाते
sit in the heart of this kind of listener.
और जब श्रवण करना शुरू करते
And when you
हैं,
start listening,
हृदय में कौन सा वस्तु उदित होता है, कौन वर्णन
who can describe which kind of things will appear in your heart?
सामान्य दिग्गज
The commentaries explain so much. I'm just like explaining a bit or like showing a bit of what is there. So there are Sikh and Bhavuk Jan, these devotees who know all transcendental mellows.
साधु
At
साधु
each step, at each like a mouthful, you know, like
अक्षर के जो है
at each syllable of the Bhagavatam, they are relishing the Bhagavatam.
हम सब
It's not ordinary. What can we tell in 7 days of the
हम
Bhagavatam?
लोग तीन वक्ता है,
We are also 3 speakers.
15 मिनट आधा घंटा
So we speak 10, 15 minutes, 30 minutes. What can we speak in this such a small little time? It's not possible.
हम वक्ता नहीं है,
But
हमें जो पूर्व आचार्य जो बोले
we are not the bhakta, the speaker of the Bhagavatam. We are just
दोहरा रहे
repeating whatever our previous acharyas they said. I'm not the speaker.
रखते नहीं है।
I don't have this ego that I'm the speaker of the Bhagavatam. There's only one speaker of the Bhagavatam. Who?
देव गोस्वामी
Shukadeva Goswami Pad.
है, बहुत सुंदर एक कथा
This katha is so beautiful.
है, इसलिए कहते हैं
So-
मूढ़ो रसिका भावुका है, अद्वैतवादी मायावादी
The Advaitavadis and Mayavadis.
के निरसन करते
So
थे,
to cut their moods and their philosophies
भक्ति के जो है स्थापित
and to establish directly
जैसे
bhakti,
महाराज ने
just like Maharaj spoke.
प्रजीत कैतो वस्त्र से कैतव धर्म कपट धर्म नहीं,
This Bhagavatam is free of Kaitav and Chalkapat Dharma, means the cheating religious.
मोक्ष के
Not even the Bhagavatam will not speak also about Dharma, Artha, Kama, Moksha.
वो भी
The Bhagavatam will only speak about Shuddha Bhakti and the highest Bhakti, Braja Bhakti.
आगे
After Vaikuntha Bhakti, there is Ayodhya Bhakti. Beyond Ayodhya Bhakti, there is
कुरुक्षेत्र है, द्वारका के
the Bhakti of Dwaraka.
आगे भक्ति
And
क्या है?
even further than that is the Bhakti of Mathura. And
वृंदावन
after is the Bhakti of Goloka
विशेष
Vrindavan.
करके जय
Especially
वात्सल्य और मधुरारती भक्ति के बारे में बताया।
the moods of Sakya, Vatsalya, Madhurya. And this Madhura Rati, the highest is this Paramore mood of the Devis, Gopis of Vrindavan. Just like Vishwanatha Chakravarti Pada. In one verse he explains about it.
भगवान ब्रजशतनयं तद्धामं वृंदावनं ब्रह्माकाजिदुपासना वज्रवधुवर्गण जक्कलवीता श्रीमद् भागवतं प्रमाणमलं प्रेम पुमार्तमहं श्री चैतन्य महाप्रभुर्मतमिदं तत्राधुर न परः एकमात्र हमारा तो देव भजन श्याम सुंदर और उनके
Our worshipful deity is Vrajandana Shama Sundara.
वृंदावन रसमय भूमि धाम, पूर्ण रूप से
And
रसमय भूमि धाम।
This Vrindavana is not an ordinary place. is a place full of rasa. So, you know, these transcendental mellows.
సర్వానంద ముకుంద దైత్యం లానుకులం పరం శాస్త్రీయ స్ఫుటంతం నిశ్చంగితం జాంచయ బ్రహ్మాదివి సత్ప్రియేణ మోదియంతయా బందతే అమర్ రఘునాథ్ దాస్ గోస్వామి का
Like Raghunath Das Goswami explains,
साधारण धाम नहीं है
Vrindavan is not an ordinary place.
वहीं पर भगवान की भगवत लग के कोई प्रतिकूल वस्तु नहीं है सब भगवत
In Vrindavan, everything is favorable for Krishna's pastimes. Nothing is unfavorable for Krishna's pastimes.
तो ऐसे सुंदर रसमय प्रेममय
So this beautiful Dham, Vrindavana Dham, full of rasa, full of prem,
ऐसे वृंदावन श्याम सुंदर धीर ललित
the
नायक
glories of Vrindavan are being described. So Krishna is Dhira Lalita Nayaka,
उसमें जो लीला कहाँ पर
and his abode is also so beautiful.
ब्रह्मा काजित उपासना हाँ वही कृष्ण के रसिक शिखर परम करुण गोविंद की उपासना कैसी हुई
Yeah, so how Rajendra Nandana is worshipped
जा वही श्री अर्चिता
by the Vraja Devis.
जा वही श्री अर्चिता अदाभिरप्त काम जिस श्लोक के उद्धव वर्णन करते
In this sloka, Uddhava is explaining,
महादष्टम रासरूपी महादष्टम
the rasa is the Mahagoshtan, is a great place.
देखो कृष्ण की चरण
In this
कमल में
transcendental
जो है,
place,
अपने
Krishna,
अत्यंत कोमल
the Krishna's,
और आपके भी वो लोग
so the
चित्त नहीं होते। और कामताप
the gopis,
कैसे दुर्वृत्त को
they put the soft lotus feet of Krishna on their chests. And in the commentary explains, the Rasikjan people will understand how they relieve their fire separation. Brahma, Shiva, and even Lakshmi, this place is so rare for even all of them.
इसलिए वो समस्त प्रेम भाव के वर्णन होते जा रहे हैं इस श्रीमद् भागवत में।
So in the
भगवान के
Bhagavatam,
जो है, अत्यंत प्रिय
the Bhagavatam is so dear to Lord.
मित्र उद्धव ब्रज में ब्रजनियों के
Sorry, Uddhava, which is a very dear friend of Krishna, he came to Vraj and he saw the prema of the Vraja Gopis, and in the end he said, Aho, he thought like this, Aho. Aho means
देखो
he's amazed.
द्वारिकापुरी में नित्य संजग
In Dwaraka, those who are eternally with Krishna,
महिष के जो भाव व प्रेम प्राप्त नहीं हुई आज
even the queens of Dwaraka, they couldn't get this bhava, but today the Vraja Gopis, they are having this.
लोगों के द्वारा
So if by many shlokas, Uddhava is making prayers.
यही श्रीमद् भागवत के प्रतिपाद्य विषय दिखा रहे हैं
So the
बुद्धवादी बड़े बड़े देवता लोग जिस प्रेम
So the
रस प्राप्त कर
subject of the Bhagavatam is being described here.
ब्रजदेवीगण
So even the demigods couldn't attain this, but the Vraja Gopis,
कैसे गोविंद
how
में
they
जो
are,
है, डुबाते हैं
they are drowning or like submerging in this prema of Krishna.
रासोत्सवे भुजदंड गृहीत कंठो लब्धासम जल उद्गाज ब्रज सुंदरीना आहा कितने श्लोक में वर्णन
Oh,
करते जा रहे हैं रसिक शेखर कृष्ण उस रास रूपी महासमुद्र में
So Rasika Shekhar Krishna, when there is this ocean and the great big waves of the ocean,
प्रेम रूपी समुद्र के
these waves of the ocean of Prem, there are great waves in the ocean of
गोपियों
Prem,
की भाव
because the bhava of the gopis are like waves,
अपने को
and Krishna,
को स्थिर करने
he cannot,
अपने को स्थिर करने
he has to be like calm or stable. Krishna in this waves of this ocean, Krishna must hold the neck of the gopis with his arms. Like if you go to Haridwar, the flow of the Ganges, the current of the Ganges in Haridwar is so strong,
स्रोत के इतने तेज जो है
so strong the current of the Ganges in Haridwar.
कभी जब पानी छोड़ देते हैं
So
और गंगा के जल की तेज धारा ऐसे प्रवाहित होते हैं
if you
जो है बहुत कठिन हो जाए
if you are not holding any chains or anything,
कैसे घर लोड करके जाए
and then you just bathe in the Ganges, you can be dragged by the currents, so strong. That's why so you can ask, how can I bathe in the Ganges? So that's why they arrange so many like iron chains near the Ganga. Then you can just dive there, holding the chains, iron chains. But if you accidentally you release, if you like don't hold these iron chains, you'll be dragged by the currents and finish. Never will see you again. Bolo Vrindavan Bihari Lal ki jai. So I'm saying the waves of the ocean of prem.
अपने के स्थिर
There are so many waves of the breath of the gopis, and even Krishna himself cannot be like cannot swim in this ocean. Let's say like cannot float in this ocean. He's being like drowned. So
ये श्रीमद् भागवत में बताते हैं। ये कहता है
Bhagavatam explains about this.
धामं वृंदावनम ब्रह्मा काजित वसना ब्रजदु वर्गन जा कल्पिता श्रीमद् भागवतम प्रमाण अमलम अमल पुराण श्रीमद् भागवतम।
So the Amal Purana Srimad Bhagavatam,
स्टैम्प दे रहे हैं
spotless Purana Srimad Bhagavatam is giving the stamp, is giving the evidence.
प्रेम अपमार्थ महान, यही प्रेम के कथा चैतन्य महाप्रभु अपने परिकर
This Prem Katha, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu,
गोस्वामी सनातन गोस्वामी अपने प्रियजन के द्वारा ही जगत में प्रचार किया।
preached in this world.
यही महाप्रभु के विशेष वैशिष्ट।
This is the speciality of Mahaprabhu. Okay, so let's continue the Harikatha. I speak more.
ये श्रीमद् भागवत की कथा आप लोगों ने श्रवण कर ली।
So you are listening the Bhagavatam.
वृत्तांत भी श्रवण
So we
किया।
heard about the story
महाराज ने
of life history of Parikshit Maharaj. Maharaj spoke briefly,
के जन्म वृत्तांत भी संक्षेप में।
and also briefly we heard about
और
the life history of Shukadeva Goswami and also Parikshit Maharaj.
राजा होने के बाद है और
So Parikshit Maharaj became the king,
समीक ऋषि के पुत्र सिंह के द्वारा
the son of Samikarishi Shringi.
दिन के बाद
He cursed Parikshit Maharaj that he would leave his body after
उसी सभा में
1 week.
देव से पाद पधारे
And then Shukadeva Goswami
भागवत
came
कथा श्रवण कराया।
in that assembly, and then he spoke Bhagavad Katha.
कहा जाता है सुख परिकित संवाद भागवत के दिखा दिया। इसके जो है पश्चात जो अनेकों साल
So Shuka Parikshit Samvad is the Bhagavatam. And after
सुनकादि ऋषिगण सुत गोसाई पाद के निकट
after a
भागवत कथा भी
long time, also this
देखो ये श्रीमद् भागवत की
after
कथा
some time, then Sutta Goswami.
देखते हैं त्रिसत्र माने 3 जगह में जो भागवत
Okay,
कथा
sorry.
हुई, ये सब
So we
के
see
तरफ
that when the 3 places where the Bhagavatam happened, it was always in the bank of the river.
और नारद की
Like,
कथा जो है
for example, the Katha between Vyasa and Narada was in the bank of river Saraswati.
और
And also
परीक्षित महाराज की कथा कहाँ पर हुई?
the Katha of Shuka Parikshit was
सुक्ताल सुकर्तल जी सुक्ताल।
in Shuktal, also called Sukartal, at the banks of the Ganges,
और देखो हम
Ganga.
ये
And the third adivation, third sitting of the Bhagavatam,
स्कंद में
in the first canto of the Bhagavatam describes this situation. It was the conversation between Sutta Goswami and Shaunakadi rishis. Where this happened? Where did it happen?
एक श्रीमद् भागवत गोमती के तट
At the banks of the river Gomati.
गोमती नदी,
At the banks of the river Gomati.
ये गोमती नदी के तट पर ये कथा हुई
This Katha happens there.
जिससे कहा जाता है नैमिषारण्य।
In Naimisharanya.
हम लोग अभी अभी लॉकडाउन होने
Just now, before the lockdown, after Navdeep Parikrama, we have gone to Ajodhya, and on the way also, we had darshan of this place,
नैमिषारण्य
of Naimisharanya.
सुंदर वो स्थान भी कैसे
Such a beautiful place, pure place.
इसे श्रीमद् भागवत में ऐसे भी कहा है।
So in the Bhagavatam explains,
नमिषे नमिषारण्य क्षेत्रे ऋषिय सुनकादः क्षत्र सर्गाय लोकाय सहस्र सममाससं तो एकदा तु मुनय प्रातर्हुत हुतासन ग्रह संस्कृत सुतमानासीन प्रपुच्छ उदित मादरत। एक समय
once
सुनकादि ऋषिगण
the rishis, Shaunakadi rishis, the rishis headed by Shaunaka rishi, they, to attain Swarga,
सहस्र जो है समय तक
for
उन्होंने जब आदि
they were doing fire sacrifice.
है और देखो जब आदि कर रहे थे
So they were doing fire sacrifice
किंतु उस
for a long time, long time.
समय
But once
सुत गोस्वामी पाद
Sutta Goswami Pad,
सभा में उपस्थित हुए
he
जहाँ पर जिस समय सनकादि ऋषि लोग
Sutta Goswami appeared in that assembly in the exact moment where Shaunaka, the rishis headed by Shaunaka, they were sitting,
है और ठीक उसी समय सुत
and in this
गोस्वामी
moment Sutta Goswami Pad
प्रकटित हुए
appeared there.
और सुत गोस्वामी पाद जब प्रकटित
Sutta Goswami appeared, and
हुए, तो समस्त ऋषि लोग
all the
अपने
rishis,
अपने स्थान छोड़ करके
they left there, they raised from their seats
सुत गोस्वामी
to honor him.
उनको उच्च
And then
आसन
they
पर
put Sutta Goswami sitting in a high position, in a high
भागवत में बना
asan. The Bhagavatam explains in the first canto.
उस समय देखो साधु के पास जाए बात साधु आ जाए
So if a
साधु
sadhu
के
comes
पास
to you,
क्या प्रश्न करना चाहिए
what kind of question you should make
ये
to the
महाराज
sadhu?
मेरा बेटा के शादी की नहीं हो रहा है
Oh
बेटी के
Maharaj,
शादी की नहीं हो रहा है, वो
why
बताओ।
my
मेरे
daughter
शादी
is not
किसकी
getting
हो रहा है,
married?
किसके शादी करना है किसके शादी
When
करना
I'll get married, to whom should I
है
marry?
संत महात्मा की काम नहीं
This is not the duty of a saint.
संत महात्मा के पास जाओ
If you
भागवत
go
कथा,
to the
भागवत
saints, it's
चर्चा,
actually to discuss about Bhagavatam, about
विश्व
God,
कल्याण की कथा
about speak about the welfare of your
बोलो।
soul.
महाराज
Otherwise, you're
मेरा
just
बेटी
like,
के शादी नहीं
oh
हो रहा है,
Maharaj,
आप
my daughter is
बताइए।
not getting married,
बेटी की
Maharaj.
शादी हो गया महाराज आप
Oh, then
बताइए,
your
बेटी
daughter
का
got
कोई
married,
प्रभु
then you
नहीं हो रहा
say,
है,
oh,
आप कुछ
something bad's going on with my
फल मंत्र
daughter.
करके दे दीजिए।
Give me some mantra, some
बेटा
tantra
हमारा
mantra
बच्चा
to
हो गया,
cure my
बेटी की
daughter.
बच्ची हुई
Or then
और
your
वो बात
daughter,
नहीं कर रहे हैं
oh, my daughter had a baby,
हाँ?
but the baby's not
तो साधु
speaking.
के काम है ही है
Do you think that this is the duty of the sadhus, take
कहते
care
हैं
of these
नहीं
things? No.
वास्तव में कहता हूँ मेरे जीवन की अभिज्ञता है मैं देखता रहता हूँ
I've seen this in
हाँ?
my life.
हाँ भाई सत्य नहीं बताता हूँ
I'm telling the truth.
हैं?
Yes,
शादी नहीं
brother.
हो रही अच्छा तेरा शादी हो जाए
Okay,
जा,
you're
दो
not
परिक्रमा
getting
कर,
married.
शादी हो गया।
Okay,
फिर
getting
कहता
married. Okay,
महाराज,
do the
मेरा
Giriraj
बच्ची नहीं
Parikrama
हो
and
रही,
then you get
बच्चा नहीं हो
married.
रहा, बस 10 साल
Oh,
की शादी
Maharaj,
हो गया और बच्चा नहीं हो रहा
I
है।
am already 10 years
अच्छा,
married. I never had a baby.
ठाकुर जी ये फल भोग
Then
लगा
the
दे।
sadhu says, okay, offer the bhoga to the
बच्चा हो
deity
गया।
and then
बच्चा होने
eat.
के बाद महाराज मेरा बच्चा बात नहीं कर रहा।
Okay, then you have the baby,
3
but then you
साल
say,
हो गया,
Maharaj, I don't,
बोलता ही नहीं।
my son is already 3 years old, but it's not speaking anything.
तो साधु के यही काम है क्या?
So you think the duty of the sadhus is this? Hey,
ये साधु के काम नहीं है,
this is not the duty of the sadhus.
ये साधु के काम नहीं है। मैं किसने करूं? यहाँ पर देखो
So why I'm saying this?
समस्त ऋषि लोग सुत गोस्वामी पाद के निकट
All the rishis, they did 6 questions to Sutta Goswami. How many questions? 6.
ये श्रीमद् भागवत के 18,000 श्लोक
So the 18,000 shlokas of the Bhagavatam, actually they come to answer to these 6
हम
questions.
जो श्रीमद् भागवत जो अभी अध्ययन कर रहे हैं पढ़ रहे हैं
So now we are reading the Bhagavatam.
सुत सौनक संवाद के द्वारा ही आगे उसी कथा को पूर्व काल में
Actually-
जो घटना हुई उसी कथा को सुत गोस्वामी पाद सौनकादि ऋषि के निकट वर्णन
Sutta Goswami told to Shaunakadi rishis about whatever had happened before.
परीक्षित के सभा में
Because Sutta Goswami told when Parikshit
है,
Maharaj heard the Bhagavatam,
उसमें जो कथा
when Shukadeva Goswami told the Bhagavatam to Parikshit, I was there, Sutta Goswami told, I was also there.
व्यास है, चार व्यास के जो है, चार
So there-
शिष्य हैं, सभी
The,
धर्मज्ञ, मर्मज्ञ,
the 4 disciples of Vyasadeva, they are so much, they know all the Shastras, and also Shukadeva Goswami
ये
also.
लोमहर्षण सुत के पुत्र हैं।
Okay, sorry. So Sutta Goswami is the son of Lomaharshana, and also he is the recipient of mercy of Baladev Prabhu.
उन्होंने ये बताई
Later we will speak about
कि
that.
हम जैसे जैसे
So later he will tell. Sutta Goswami will explain where he listened the katha and all. And then he told to Shaunakadi rishis, I'll tell you whatever I heard. Listen
भागवत
carefully.
नित्य है।
Because the Bhagavatam is eternal. But still, we see.
ये ऋषि लोग ये 6 प्रश्न किया
So the rishis made 6 questions. Amazing questions.
अमल योग्य प्रश्न
Spotless questions they
ये
made.
पहले प्रश्न किया
So the
था।
first question, what was the first question?
सौनकादि ऋषिगण कहने लगे, हे
The rishi
भगवान,
said by Shaunaka Rishi told, Hey Bhagavan, hey Gurudeva,
योग्य है,
if we are
तो
qualified,
हमें है, उस कथा को
please
श्रवण कराइए।
tell us some
प्रश्न के
katha.
उत्तर दीजिए।
So
हैं?
please give us an answer
संत
to our
महात्मा
question.
के पास जाकर के
So
कैसे प्रश्न
how
करते
to
हैं?
make questions to the saints?
विद्धि प्रणिपात परिप्रश्न सेवया उपदिक्षन्ते ज्ञानिनो ज्ञानो तत्त्वदर्शिनो तत्त्वदर्शिन संत महात्मा के पास जाकर के
If you go to a Tatadarshi saint, a saint who knows the truth, absolute truth, you should do 3 things,
तुम्हें
then he will be pleased with you, then he will,
प्रणिपात
you
पहले
know,
प्रणाम करके बैठो।
like first do pranam, obeisances, then sit down. If you do pranam, he will be pleased with you.
प्रणाम करो।
Do pranam, do obeisances.
तुम्हें अर्जुन केवल बाणों के
So in
द्वारा
Kurukshetra, in the war, Arjuna with his arrow, he did pranams, obeisances to Dronacharya and to Bhishma. And
विजयी भवो।
immediately Bhishma told him, Vijay Bhavo, be victorious. You see, Arjuna was fighting against Bhishma, Dronacharya and Kripacharya. He was, because they were in the side of the Kauravas. But when Arjuna shot an arrow, like doing obeisances, and the shot came straight directly to the feet, like in front of the feet, of
बिल्कुल पास में जाकर मैंने
near, so near their feet. Like in this way, he was actually doing pranam, obeisances to them, and they understood. Oh, Arjuna is doing pranam to us. And immediately they raised the 2 arms, 2 hands. Bijay Bhava, be victorious in this war. So Duryodhana, he was so angry, and he told, you are fighting for us, or you're fighting for them? You are in our side, and you're giving blessing of victory to Arjuna, which is in the other side. Then Bhishma Pitamaha told to Duryodhana,
दुर्योधन सुनो
Listen, Duryodhana.
तुम भी यदि
If you also once would bow your head and doing pranam, doing obeisances, I would also raise my hand giving blessing to you. But you're so proud. You are so proud and arrogant, and your head never bows your head, never bows. So that's why also Ravana died also. Sometimes I say
रावण जो है शिव
that
के गुरु मानते थे।
Ravana used to think Shiva is his guru. In Ramayana we
और
see,
एक समय शिव
and
और
once
पार्वती दोनों वार्तालाप कर रहे थे
Shiva and Parvati, they were speaking in Kailash, and suddenly
कैलाश पर्वत जैसे होने लगे।
it became like an earthquake in the Kailash mountain. And then Parvati Devi asked, "Oh my Lord, what is this? Suddenly it looks like a earthquake." Then Shiva told, "No, it's my disciple. Surely he came, Ravana." Because when Ravana used to come to Kailash,
स्तुति करते थे।
he used to do prayers to Shiva.
प्रणाम करना सिर
But
झुका करके, पर रावण
to
के
bow
मस्तक
my
पे
head in
झुकेगा।
pranam to my guru. No.
वो
Because
गुरु
Ravana said
भगवान
will never bow to anyone.
झुकेगा।
My head will never bow to anyone, not even to Guru, not even to God. So he would lift Kailash on his head, and like this he would do, quoting pranam to Shiva. Like because he would not bow his head, he would put Kailash on the top of his head. So Shiva told Parvati, it's not an earthquake, not an earthquake. Actually, my disciple Ravana who came.
होते हैं, उनके सिर कभी झुकते नहीं।
Because those who are arrogant and proud, they never bow their heads.
व्यस्त नहीं है, कहते हैं वास्तव में किसके हृदय में शुद्ध भक्ति हो, प्रेम हो,
So if you have bhakti and prem in your hearts,
झुक जाते हैं।
naturally you will bow. You like
नम्रता स्वभावदार भाई अनुखा। हाँ,
just like the tree when it's so much fruits, the branches of the tree they bend down.
में सुनाया।
So Mahabharata explains this also.
इसलिए हम जिस कथा प्रसंग में आ रहे हैं, देखो उस समय ऋषि लोग प्रणाम
So
करके
the rishis, they did pranam, they did obeisances, they offered obeisances, and they did question to Suta Goswami. Which question?
जिससे हमारे अंतःकरण की प्रसन्नता हो, उसके
What?
बारे में
Please tell us, how can we be internally pleased, satisfied?
उत्तर दे दिया।
So the answer is in 2 slokas. Savai Pumsa Paradharmo.
हेतु की अप्रतिहता जो आत्मा संप्रसीदति। ये श्लोक की साधारण अर्थ है। क्या अर्थ है?
So the normal meaning of this sloka is,
परोधर्म, जीव के परोधर्म क्या है?
what is the paradharma, the highest
भक्ति करना।
duty of the soul's
जतो भक्ति अधोस्कज
nature is do bhakti.
अधोस्कज भगवान विष्णु में होनी चाहिए।
And the bhakti should be only for God Krishna, Lord Krishna. You cannot have bhakti for Kali, Shiva, Durga.
भक्ति किसमें होनी चाहिए?
So the bhakti should be only
अधोस्कज भगवान
for Adoksaj Bhagavan Vishnu.
हैं? सभी पुंसांग परोधर्म जतो भक्ति अधोस्कज अहित की अप्रतिहता। अहित की भक्ति कैसी होनी चाहिए?
Bhakti should be Ahaituki, should be causeless, without any cause. Like causeless.
अप्रतिहता।
And also Apratihata should be
बाधान हो।
incessantly.
जैसे उदाहरण देते हैं,
The example is given if you
शहद के जो
take a jar of honey and you pour, like turn the jar, like you pour the honey, from the jar, it will come in a line, straight line, like a flow. So bhakti should also be like that. The one day you do bhakti, second day no. One day you listen bhakti, next day you don't. No. This is not actually bhakti, this is actually not listening Harikatha. So if you go to listen Harikatha, it is bhakti. Yes, because the first bhakti is to listen Harikatha.
हैं? संत महात्मा के निकट जाकर के
You
भगवान
go to the saints and listen
वो
Harikatha.
आप किया ही नहीं। एक
But you
दिन
didn't
चले
do
गए।
this. You listened one day and then you left.
आगे, तीसरे दिन,
Then
चौथे दिन,
second
पांचवें
day
दिन
you came, then third day didn't come, fourth day didn't come. No.
नित्यं भागवत
Nityam Bhagavat Sevaya, like always, you should do it. Just like Maharaj told.
नित्यं भागवत सेवया नित्यं निरवधि
Nitam is incessantly.
अभद्रसु नित्यं भागवत सेवया। इसलिए उसी प्रकार सभी पुंसांग परोधर्म जतो भक्ति अधोस्कज अहितु की अप्रतिहता जात्मा संप्रसिद्धि, उसमें आत्मा कल्याण है।
So then your soul. So
और भगवान प्रसन्न हो जाए
if Lord becomes pleased, everything is
और दूसरी क्या बताया?
accomplished. So
वासुदेवे भगवत वासुदेव
also another verse they told Vasudeva Bhagavati Bhakti Yoga.
ज्ञानम जप। देखो भक्ति किसमें उत्पन्न हो जाए,
If somebody has bhakti,
गुण अपने आप दिखाई
certainly 2 symptoms you'll see. Which one?
ज्ञान और वैराग्य।
Jnana and Vairagya, knowledge and renunciation.
भगवत छोड़ करके और दूसरी वस्तु में उसको क्या होगा? वैराग्य।
So you have so much detachment for every other thing, for everything else. And also so much knowledge will come to you.
किसके भक्ति हो गई?
If somebody has bhakti,
भक्ति हुई
Shuddha bhakti,
और उसके ज्ञान वैराग्य नहीं हुआ, ये नहीं हो सकता।
not possible that someone
भक्ति शब्द के अर्थ
has bhakti and doesn't have knowledge. Because actually bhakti means service.
सेवा वृत्ति, ममता युक्त सेवा, गुरु वैष्णव और भगवान के प्रति
Serve God with so much possessiveness. Serve to Hari Guru Vaishnavas with mamata. Everybody serves, but you must serve with some banda and mamata. Knowledge of relationship and also possessiveness. All this is described. And also Tattva Gyan also will come. Tat Padartha Gyan, Tam Padartha Gyan, Jiva Brahma Eka Gyan. There are three kinds of knowledge. So Jiva Brahma Eka Gyan you should give up. The oneness of Jiva and Brahma. But the other two of the knowledge, they are necessary, they are important, yes. So the Advaitavadis, the monists, they also establish the deity of Krishna Balaram. They also do worship to the deity. They also serve the deity, but their seva to the deity is not actually bhakti. They don't think the deity of God is transcendental. They think that the deity of God is material. That's why also you must have Shastra Gyan and knowledge of the scriptures. Otherwise you go to the Mayavadis and then you say, yes, very nice. And then you come to Gauriya Mata, oh yes, very nice. Like, you must have Tattva Gyan to differentiate. What is the conception of the Advaitavadis, the impersonalists?
ये अद्वैतवादी के ज्ञान हमें चाहिए, तब तो हम समझे कि भाई इनके पूजा हमारे पूजा में अंतर है कि
So you must have this knowledge.
मैं तो नहीं हटता हूँ।
Then you can see, oh, the worship that they do is different from ours. Just near around behind our temple, the Krishna Balaram temple is there. They also do worship to Thakurji. They also offer food to Thakurji. They dress the deity. It's a Mayavadi temple in Mathura. So you have to see the difference. Oh, the people from Gauriya Mata, they think that the deity of God is transcendental. But what is the conception of Advaitavadis? The monists, they think that Krishna's form is material. In the morning, I spoke a lot about it. So this is a difference. Brahma becomes covered by Maya. They think, oh, Brahma takes a material body, covers by Maya, and comes in this world, do amazing things, and then gives up this material body and comes back and merging Brahma again. But Gauriya Vaishnavas, no, they think that the deity of the Lord is eternal. So we must have this Tattva Gyan, this knowledge of the scriptures.
वासुदेवे भगवती भक्ति योग प्रयोजित जनति आसु वैराग्यं ज्ञान जप ये समस्त विचार दिखा और दूसरी ये प्रश्न
And also the second question they asked, remember? So what is the first question? The first question they asked, how can we be satisfied or pleased internally? So second question.
वासुदेव के पत्नी देवकी के गर्भ से
Why Krishna came from the womb of Devaki? Tell us. Like God is unborn. Why did he take birth? Tell us about it, about Krishna's birth. Third question. Tell us please about the various species pastimes of all avatars of Lords, like the 24 avatars. Tell us about this Avatara Katha. And fourth question is, tell about the sweet pastimes of Krishna Balaram and also the meaning of the pastimes. Tell us about the sweet pastimes of Krishna Balaram. Since the death of Putana and how Krishna also, all the two brothers, Krishna Balaram, killed so many demons. Like Baladev Prabhu killed Pralambasur, also Gardabhasur. The two brothers, Krishna and Balaram, they've done so many leelas. Please tell us. Fifth question was, tell us how to cross this material existence. What the jiva must do in Kali Yuga. In Kali Yuga, everything is contaminated with the duplicity, hypocrisy. A person can raise your hand saying, I'm free of all sin. No. Everybody has sins. Everybody has duplicity. Everybody. This is Kali Yuga. Everybody lies. Nobody speaks the truth. And if you speak only the truth, you cannot survive in this world. So, what is how to cross the world, this material existence? So, 6. After Lord, who is the embodiment of religion, when he went to his abode, Dharma took shelter of what? Please tell us. So, the 6 questions, actually, Sutta Goswami, to answer to these 6 questions, he remembered the previous Leelas and then he described all the Katha of the Bhagavatam. So beautiful this is. So there are 18,000 shlokas in the Bhagavatam. But 5 questions were already answered in the first canto itself. The other, only 1 question remained. Then Sutta Goswami answered according to the context in all the other cantos. And also he described the beautiful Leelas of Lord. So you already heard about how Parikshit Maharaj was born, and then he became the king, and then he was cursed. Then Shukadeva Goswami also appeared, and Sutta Goswami also told about this to Shaunakadi Rishis. So one thing I want to tell you is that Parikshit Maharaj, he folded his hands and told to Shukadeva Goswami, Hey Bhagavan, hey Gurudeva, if I am qualified, please tell me one story, one katha. My grandfather, so the Mahabharata, there was a great war, right? Kurukshetra. So many great warriors, they were defeated. Tell me about it. So this katha is very beautiful. Because Parikshit Maharaj, he had in his heart like, he was thinking, I am a Kshatriya, and a Kshatriya wants to listen about Kshatriya things. And also, Parikshit was so enthusiastic, thinking, oh, my grandfather, you know, who was my grandfather? Arjun. You know, because who is the grandfather of Arjun? Oh, sorry, of Parikshit. Arjun. So he was thinking in the great war of Mahabharata, he defeated so many warriors. My grandfather. So what is the Gita Upanishad? Is actually the Bhishma Parva is one part from the chapter 18. There are 18 chapters of the Bhishma Parva parts of the Mahabharata. Gurudev just spoke the numbers, sorry I couldn't follow. So the number of the chapter is, okay, it's a part of 18 chapters in the Bhishma Parva chapter of Mahabharata. Bhishma Parva parts of the Mahabharata. This is the Bhagavad Gita, okay? So Bhagavad Gita is part of Mahabharata. So Arjuna is saying, oh, I cannot fight this war because, you know, my grandfather is in the opposite side, my Gurudeva. How can I kill my own Guru? So I don't want the kingdom, Arjuna told. Then Bhagavan Krishna told, hey Arjun, do you think you can defeat your grandfather? You were so proud, thinking that you have the Gandiv bow, and with the Gandiv you also have divine weapons, and you can defeat Bhishma Pitamaha. But Krishna told, you can't actually defeat Bhishma Pitamaha, no, because he has the Ichamritu Kavach. He has the armor of wishful death. Like he will only die when he wants. So he has this armor put on him. Like you cannot kill him because he only dies when he wants. And also you cannot also kill the Kauravas, other Kauravas also. Like for example, the Dronacharya, your own guru. Because always the disciple is just like a baby near his guru, you know. Can you kill your own guru, Dronacharya? And also Karna. Karna, he has the kundala, the earrings on his ear, and also he has an armor also, an armor. Do you think you are able to defeat them?
तुम
No.
कैसे इससे बड़े बड़े रथी महारथी
How can you defeat these great like warriors? Tell me.
तुम जो अहंकार कर
You
रहे
are
हो,
so proud thinking, Krishna telling Arjun. You are so proud thinking that
राज्य सुखा नहीं
you don't want to win, you don't want to, oh king, oh Krishna, I don't want the kingdom, I don't want to
किसने
win.
कहा
Then Krishna told, who said you're gonna win?
तुम विजय प्राप्त
Who told you were going to win this war?
हरा सकते हो
Do you think you can defeat them?
विशेष करके भीष्म
Especially
पितामह के तुम
Bhishma Pitamaha, there's no way you can defeat Bhishma Pitamaha.
जब तक भीष्म पितामह
And until Bhishma Pitamaha is alive
के रूप में
as the
रहेंगे,
general of the court of army,
तुम्हारे द्वारा संभव नहीं
it's not possible for you to win.
विजय कामना संभव नहीं है
It's not possible, Krishna told.
असंभव है।
It's impossible.
छोड़ो तुम ये समझ
Give up all these things you're thinking.
तुम कर्म करो कर्म
Do your
करो,
karma,
रास्ते
do your
में
activities.
खड़े हो, कदाचन
And I'll give the fruits.
युद्ध करो तुम उठाओ।
Just fight.
तुम्हारे कर्तव्य
Raise.
है।
Stand up. This is your duty.
हाँ यही तो बताया भगवान
Bhagavan told
और
this.
आगे मेरे शरण में आ जाओ
And take
और जो कुछ
my
करना
shelter.
है, नहीं कुछ।
And whatever you need to do, I will make you
ये तो
do.
भागवत गीता की विशेष वैशिष्ट्य देगा
So the speciality of
मामेकं शरणं व्रज
Bhagavad Gita.
अहं तं सर्वापिभ्यो मोक्षामि मा शुचः। देखो भागवत में वही कथा भी आ रहे हैं
And this Bhagavad also, this katha is coming. Why am I saying this? Because
परीक्षित महाराज
Parikshit Maharaj,
सुखदेव गोस्वामीपाद के निकट यही प्रश्न
he
किया
did this question to Shukadeva Goswami. He told, hey Brahmana, hey Gurudev,
मेरे पितामह अर्जुन
my grandfather Arjun,
उस युद्ध में सबको कैसे परास्त किया उस कथा
How
सुनने के लिए मेरा
defeated everyone in the war. I'm eager to listen about it.
और उनकी जन्म कथा आदि भी वर्णन सुना दिया है
And
और
also-
समस्त कथा है
So about
महाभारत की कथा प्रसंग समाप्त हो गया
so after the Mahabharata story,
भीम के गदा के द्वारा कुरुभंग हो गया
Duryodhana's thigh was broken by Bhima, and Duryodhana was about to die.
आकाश में
Duryodhana was about to die,
छाए हुए
and there were so many clouds on the sky. And then
अंतिम सांस लेते जा रहे
Duryodhana was about to give his last breath, and then
द्रोणाचार्य के पुत्र भीष्म
the son of Dronacharya,
अश्वत्थामा,
the
आकर के
evil
बोले,
Dronacharya came.
दुर्योधन,
Oh, my friend Duryodhan, if you had made me the general, the commander in chief for even a day in this war, you would win.
पांडव के हमारे पास कुछ
Because the Pandavas near, compared to me, they are nothing. I would kill everyone, and I will give you the kingdom.
है दुर्योधन करने लगे सखा
Duryodhana told, oh my friends, what can I do now?
अभी समय है
Now the time, is,
हैं?
now it's
क्या
late.
करना है?
But Ashwatthama said, no, there's time still. In this night, in this now, make me the commander in chief. But Duryodhana said, but the war is over already. But Ashwatthama said,
दुर्योधन
no.
ने क्या किया? अपने उरु के जंघा के जो
Then with the blood from his thigh, Duryodhana took in his hand this blood and made a tilak to Ashwatthama saying, okay, be victorious. So what happened?
हैं? ये पांडव लोग विजय उत्सव मनाते जा रहे हैं रात्रि काल में विजय उत्सव
During the night, that day, the Pandavas, they were celebrating the victory. But Krishna told to Yudhishthir, Bhim, Arjun, Nakul, Sahadeva, listen, Krishna told them, until Duryodhana is still alive, you cannot celebrate the victory. You can't celebrate the victory. You cannot. Just like even if you break the spine of a snake, if the snake is still alive, don't think that the snake is dead. No. Understand? Until Duryodhana is alive, you should not think that you have won. But they did not listen to Krishna. So during the night, all the Pandavas and Draupadi were celebrating the victory. But Lord protects them. But also Leela, Krishna thought, okay, I have to make another Leela. So in the tents where the 5 Pandavas were staying, Krishna took them to celebrate the victory in other place, in other tents. And in that tent where they generally were sleeping, the 5 sons of Draupadi, they slept there. And then Ashwatthama, being the commander in chief, he came there. But Shiva was surrounding that tent. Then Ashwatthama did prayers to Shiva, asking to see the Pandavas because they won. And Shiva told, no, not possible. But after Ashwatthama prayed so much, Shiva said, okay, you can go very quickly to see them. Ashwatthama went inside the tent, and there were 5 persons
करके
sleeping covered,
और अश्वत्थामा
like
ने
a covered sleeping. But Ashwatthama, what did he do?
धड़ाधड़
Daradak, daradak,
तीर चलाए
like he just shot arrows.
5 पुत्र की
And then he
सिर और
beheaded the 5 sons of Draupadi.
ये तक भी द्रौपदी के जो भाई
Even the brother of
6 मुंह
also a 6th person was also there. He also killed him when they were sleeping, right? So he came out, and then when Duryodhana, where the place where Duryodhana was about to die, Ashwatthama came and said, "Oh, my friend Duryodhana, I won. Sorry, you are victorious. Look, I brought the 5 heads of the Pandavas. You're victorious." Then Duryodhana told, "Okay, give me the biggest head, Bhim's head, because Bhim, he killed my 100 brothers. Give me his head to me. The biggest head belongs to Bhim. Give it to me. Give it to me." So Duryodhana took that biggest head, thinking it was Bhima's. And Duryodhana, like, he pressed the head.
छाती से पिचक जाता है उसी प्रकार सबसे बड़े मस्तक जो है मानो
So that biggest head, when Duryodhana pressed, the head like exploded or like mashed completely. But there was like a lightning at this moment, and Duryodhana could see, because it was nighttime. So he saw, oh, this is not the head of Bhima. No. Oh, Ashwatthama, what have you done, Ashwatthama? The Pandavas were my enemies, but their kids were not my enemies. The children of the Pandavas.
ये जो लेकर के आया
What did you bring to me?
ये द्रौपदी के 5 पुत्र
This, that's the 5 sons of Draupadi's head.
नहीं ये भीम के मस्तक नहीं
This is not Bhima's head. Because many times when I was fighting with Mace duel with Bhima, many times I hit his head. I hit his head before, and the sound was coming, tan, 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 like very strong head, But this another head I just pressed and it's mashed. So
प्राण को छोड़ दिया उस समय
So then Duryodhana died. And Ashwatthama was thinking what to do. Because the Pandavas, of course, they will come chasing me. So I have to go for atonement. So Ashwatthama went to Badrikashram, where Vyasadeva was there. And he went to Vyasadeva and told to everything. And told, how can I do atonement? And then Draupadi and 5 Pandavas, they came and saw the situation, what had happened. How the 5 sons of Draupadi, only their body was there, without head. And they saw from the war, from the arrow, by the arrow they could see the arrow marks. They saw this arrow belonged to Ashwatthama. So Krishna and Arjuna and Bhima, they came chasing after Ashwatthama. And then Bhima said, "Oh, you want to do atonement, right? Atonement, prashchitta. I will teach you the atonement." So Ashwatthama looked behind and saw Bhima, and Ashwatthama was afraid and started running away from Bhima. And then Bhima was running behind Ashwatthama, also Arjuna also running behind him. And then they caught him. So he sent a Brahmastra. So Bhagavan told Arjuna, also you also have a Brahmastra, also release a Brahmastra. So the 2 Brahmastras, they were coming. Vyasadeva told, "What are you doing? 1 Brahmastra is enough to destroy all the Vishwa Brahmanda, all the universe. So why are you using 2 Brahmastra, 2 weapons?" 2 Brahmastra. Then Ashwatthama told, "I learned how to release a Brahmastra, but I never learned how to take it back." But Arjuna knew. So Bhagavan told, "Okay, Arjuna, take it back." Then Arjuna took back the Brahmastra. And then after that, again Ashwatthama was running away, and then Bhima and Arjuna took him by the hair. And just like we catch an animal, like when somebody catches an animal, in the same way they were about to kill him. But Yudhishthira Maharaj told, "Don't kill him. Just bring him to Draupadi." So she said, "Now I don't have any son. If we kill him, also his mother will be without son." So what did they do? Ashwatthama had a jewel on his head. So they took away that jewel, and he became just like a weak animal. And nowadays Shastra explains that Ashwatthama is alive, because Ashwatthama would be alive for 4 yugas. Shastra, according to Bhavishya Purana, explains that
आगे जब भागवत
later
की बैस होगा
the next Vyasa, now Krishna Dvapana Veda Vyasa was the writer of the Bhagavatam, but in the next Dwapara Yuga, who will be the Vyasa? This Ashwatthama
बैस
will be Vyasa.
है ये तो भी आज तक भी लोग कहते हैं वृंदावन
Until now, nowadays people say that Ashwatthama is in Vrindavana here. His body is very big, very big.
है तो ये समझता आगे की घटना बताया गया है देखो वो जो छोड़ दिया था भी छोड़ समझ कर दिया था
Okay,
और जब असत्य
so when Ashwatthama, I didn't speak this, so when Ashwatthama, so
वापस नहीं ले सकते
Vyasadeva told, if you cannot change the bring back your Brahmastra, at least change the direction. But Ashwatthama, he put the direction of the Brahmastra to the womb of Uttara. And who was in the womb of Uttara? Was Parikshit Maharaj. So Uttara started shaking and she said, Krishna, Krishna. And in one form, Krishna entered the womb of Uttara. And with his Gada, with his mace, Krishna destroyed completely the Brahmastra. So even in the womb of his mother, Parikshit saw Krishna. That's why the name of Parikshit is Vishnu Rat also, because he was protected by Vishnu. And when he came out of the womb, when he was born, he saw Krishna again. So he was seeing Krishna again. So Parikshit, that's why his name is Parikshit. The person he saw in the womb, now he was seeing outside also. That's why his name is Parikshit and Vishnu Rat also.
परीक्षित महाराज की अनेक कथा महाभारत में इसमें तो वर्णन किया उसी कथा को जो है श्रीमद् भागवत में भी वर्णन किया गया.
So in the Bhagavatam we see this description.
आगे की कथा हम काल प्रसंग.
So tomorrow we'll speak more
वास्तव जो है श्रीमद्
about
भागवत कैसे अमल पुराण है.
how the Bhagavatam is a spotless Purana. Tomorrow we'll speak about it. Now please give the mic to Maharaj.
बोलो वृंदावन बिहारी लाल. थोड़ी सी
Do one kirtan, only 2 minutes kirtan.
कोई बात नहीं है 2 मिनट आप कर दो महाराज के माइक से.
Do 2 minutes kirtan. And now it's live, we cannot come back to the part where the translation was missing. So after the live is finished, we can come back to the point where the translation is missing and we can translate. I'm sorry for the technical problems. Then the translation will be like in 3 lives or like 3 videos, unfortunately, because of the technical issues. But the part which is missing, that there was no translation at that time, we will do after this live is over. Okay, then we can come back to the original video in the beginning. I'm sorry for the inconvenience, because the live will be divided in different videos, but Jai Srila Gurudev.